Hey guys, getting right into this recipe, we're going to start off by boiling some purple sweet potato and adding our lentils to the stove. So as our purple sweet potato boils down, I decided to mash it semi just so I can get the potatoes to cook a little bit more and soften up. As I allow that to happen, I was going to make two, but I ended up just making one. That's why that one is just sitting there. I'm going to cut an avocado in half and slice half of it to use. I didn't end up using the other half. I did just eat it as I was cooking because I was hungry. But our lentils are boiling as well, and we are going to add mushrooms to the lentils. Once the mushrooms are added, we're just going to add some coconut aminos to it just for a little flavor. And give it a stir. And now I'm taking the time to chop some cilantro. Garlic, and this is a herb blend of basil. I forgot basil, sage, and chives. Yes. And that is just some water from the yucca pot. I decided to use starch as like a hair wash to help with hair growth, so I was just putting that up and washing that. And now we're just gonna give everything a stir while we wait. This is me adding the lentils to the pot. And now we're going to as well roast some corn, just because I love roasted corn as a little cheat snack, so I like to have it every now and then. A little roasted corn. And something that I do as well as the little stringy things, the silks, I do save, and I will make a tea out of it. And that's the corn roasting, and then this is the finished meal. I hope you enjoyed.